Today, we're going to talk about a miracle plant that has been gaining popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits.
That's right, we're talking about Moringa.
Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is a plant native to India and to any other tropical countries like Philippines, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a superfood that promotes overall health and well-being.
One of the most notable benefits of Moringa is its ability to boost the immune system. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help fight off harmful pathogens and reduce inflammation in the body.
It contains high levels of vitamin C, which is important for the production of white blood cells that fight infection.
It also contains vitamin E, which helps to support the immune system by protecting cells from damage.
In addition to its antioxidant and vitamin content, Moringa also contains compounds called flavonoids and polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to infection, but chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system and increase the risk of disease.
By reducing inflammation, Moringa helps to support the immune system and keep it healthy.
Moringa is also great for improving digestion and promoting healthy gut bacteria. It's high in fiber and contains natural antibacterial properties that help prevent stomach infections and digestive issues like constipation.
Another amazing benefit of Moringa is its ability to lower blood sugar levels.
Studies have shown that Moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is because Moringa contains compounds called isothiocyanates, which are known to have anti-diabetic properties. These compounds help to reduce insulin resistance and improve glucose uptake by the cells, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent natural remedy for people with diabetes.
Moringa also contains other beneficial nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients help to support overall health and can also help to reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes.
Moringa can also help to lower cholesterol levels, which is important for heart health.
Moringa has been shown to have cholesterol-lowering effects in various studies.
The leaves, pods, and seeds of the Moringa tree contain high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help reduce cholesterol levels in the body. Moringa leaves contain compounds such as flavonoids and polyphenol that can inhibit the absorption of cholesterol in the gut and promote the excretion of bile acids, which can lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Moringa has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, with some studies indicating that it can inhibit the growth of cancer cells.
It's also been used to treat conditions such as asthma, arthritis, and anemia. So, how can you incorporate Moringa into your diet or use it as a natural remedy?
One easy way is to add Moringa leaves to your meals, or add Moringa powder to smoothies, juices, or even sprinkle it on salads for an extra nutritional boost.
You can also make a tea by steeping the leaves in hot water.
Moringa oil can be used topically for skin and hair care.
So, where can you find Moringa? The good news is that it's becoming more widely available in health food stores and online.
You can also grow your own Moringa tree if you have the space and climate for it.
In conclusion, Moringa is truly a miracle plant with numerous health benefits.
From boosting the immune system to treating a variety of illnesses and diseases, it's definitely worth incorporating into your daily routine. As with any supplement or medication, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before incorporating Moringa into your diet or health regimen.
We hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more informative videos.